REDMOND electric coffee grinder, coffee bean and spice grinder with 2.8 oz large capacity removable cup, stainless steel blade and 2-in-1 cleaning brush, 160W, black, CG004. Easy to use and safety 1-button operation electric coffee grinder, press to start and release to stop, very easy to use and safety. The transparent lid effectively prevent powder splashing. You can see degree of coffee bean grinding clearly too. Large capacity removable bowl, stainless steel detachable bowl designed for easy transfer powder, up to 2.8 ounces 80 grams of coffee bean each time and meet your needs, enough for 12 cups of coffee. Multi-purpose coffee grinder. REDMOND electric coffee bean grinder not only can grind coffee bean, but also spices, nuts, herbs, pepper, seeds and grains. Powerful motor and save time. 160W. High-quality food-grade sharp stainless steel blade grinds coffee beans evenly in 20s, save your time, and get powder fast. Extra gift and storage. REDMOND coffee grinder included 2-in-1 cleaning brush, which you can use it to take coffee beans and clean the bowl. Cord is stored in the base, saving space in your kitchen. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.